gig economy or the sharing economy?
I'm basically an environmental expert where one of the things in terms of reducing the resource consumption and all that is sharing economy. So sharing wherever it is, whether it's public transport and traffic environment.
So what kind of experts do you think your industry needs?
See, I am basically chief scientist from environment.
Oh, okay.
So environment requires sharing economy and sharing expertise. One is of course because there are many small scale industries which can't afford a big expert, so where the expertise can be shared for a group of industries. Similarly, in terms of the pollution solutions can't individualize. It has to be for a city or an area or a total industry. So there again, it has to all the people like industries, municipalities, because the receiving environment is one, whomsoever may be contributed. So individually it can't be done. So whether I pollute or you pollute, the sum total of the pollution is felt by the environment. So it needs to be shared. So now, in fact, sharing is the talk of the town. The public transport instead of individual vehicles and cars. So that's what's
So are you becoming a mentor for
Yes,
getting experts?
I myself an expert.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. In whatever way I can support, I am ready to do it.
Thank you so much.
This sharing economy is going to be transformational. It's going to write the next big wave of entrepreneurship. And the more we share, the more you learn, the more you also get. So the entire ecosystem of entrepreneurship in Silicon Valley was built on the philosophy of sharing. And now in India, we are seeing a major transformation that's happening in the economic growth through startups. And the only way you can have very good startups is basically through shared learning, open collaboration, innovating in an open fashion, and transforming the business models through open alliances.
Do you think that because of gig economy, the people are less applying for permanent jobs or jobs which are like
I guess the gig economy is right now looking at actually an alternative form of career. Entrepreneurship is still at an early stages. We have got very important examples of success stories in India. But then entrepreneurship is still not a full-time career. It's not basically being encouraged in every town and villages, but there's a major awareness that's come up thanks to the initiative of the government of India and to the governments of various countries across in Asia and globally. What is happening is entrepreneurship is now becoming much more simpler and easier to understand. So there are not just policies that are being put in place, but also there is availability of venture capital, availability of high net worth investment that's coming in, and more importantly, the like-minded people coming together to create an idea, not just to create wealth, but also to transform the society and address problems in the society.
that's good. What do you think about Get Me Experts?
I think it's a very good. Get Me Expert is a good initiative. I think what entrepreneurs across startups require is access to good mentors, good experts who give wise advice, because you could actually probably earn money very fast, but earning experience, earning a good advice basically requires good experience, and for that you need to have good mentors. And when you have a good expert, you actually fail less, and you overcome the challenges of a startup journey much more efficiently.
Would you like to be a mentor for Get Me Experts?
Yeah, why not?
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.